Are you a woman over 40 trying to lose weight and feel like your body has just stopped responding? Like you're doing the same things that used to work before, but nothing's happening? You're not alone. So today on Mother's Day, I've decided to make a video just for all my female viewers out there, especially those of you over 40 who are struggling with their weight and don't know what direction to go in or how to start. Because for many women, this is the point where weight loss starts to feel confusing, frustrating, and honestly, a little defeating. So before you jump into Ozempic or weight loss surgery, there are a few things you really need to check first. Because for many women, the issue isn't just willpower, it's biology, hormones, and how your body is changing. So today, as a bariatric physician assistant with 20 years of experience working with patients who struggle with their weight, I'm going to walk you through 6 things that make a huge difference before you choose a weight loss path. I'm also going to give you an extra bonus, number 7, at the end, so stick around. Let's get started. First, hormones. As we get older, things shift biologically. Thyroid, estrogen, testosterone, among others. And when those are off, your energy, sleep, and metabolism are affected. So this is something you want to understand before choosing a weight loss option. So be sure to see either your OB-GYN, an endocrinologist, or even your PCP can perform this kind of lab testing. Second, sleep. If you're waking up exhausted, even after a full night of sleep, you may be dealing with something called sleep apnea. This is very common in patients who struggle with their weight. And untreated sleep issues make weight loss much harder. This can be tested usually with an order from your physician for an overnight sleep study. The ones that are performed in an accredited sleep center are much more accurate than the ones where they give you the equipment and you take it home and do the test. So I really recommend going to a sleep center and having one done there overnight. A sleep test can really help you figure this out if you have sleep apnea, and if so, how severe is it and does it need treatment? Third, your nutrition. Not guessing, but actually working with a registered dietitian, even if it's just for a short period of time. I think you'll really be surprised with their feedback, and the information that they give you is really valuable and lasts a lifetime. Being honest about your dietary habits and making even small daily changes can really make a big difference, and they compound over time. Fourth, your habits. It's important to review these, whether you choose surgery, an endoscopic procedure, or weight loss medications. Optimizing your health becomes center stage, and unhealthy habits will need to be either eliminated or greatly decreased. So it's best to start now. You'll be happy you did. Fifth, movement. I'm not talking about extreme workouts, just consistent movement. Consider activity that builds lean muscle because it can protect your metabolism and overall health. It doesn't have to be a large amount, and you don't have to go to the gym. These are things that you can do with free weights, dumbbells, in the privacy of your own home. Just remember, start small, go slow, and build. Number 6, your emotional health. Many women our age have given all we have to our family, children, friends, and even our careers. We may be even hitting a time of life where we're caring for aging parents, just as we're saying goodbye to our children as they move out and start their own lives. This is a lot to handle at one time, and it's very easy to feel exhausted. And food can become a very easy way to escape or just provide a little comfort. If food is tied to stress like this, unfortunately, no medication or surgery alone will fix it. So maybe now it's time to reach out and finally do something for you. It can really help to get a new perspective through the eyes of a professional. You don't have to just push through anymore. You're allowed to matter. You can get confidential help in a safe environment that helps you to negotiate this time of your life with grace and dignity so you don't feel overwhelmed. Learning to care for yourself with healthy coping strategies is no doubt one of the most important keys to unlock successful weight loss long term. Okay, and here's the bonus, ladies. This is something most people don't think about, but over the years, I've seen many patients regret not doing it sooner in their weight loss journey. And this is getting a DEXA scan with body composition. This gives you a much more concise picture of your health beyond just your weight, BMI, or lab work. Measuring this every 4 to 6 months gives you really valuable insight about whether or not you're going in the right direction with your weight loss efforts, so you can make adjustments if needed. The DEXA scan is considered the gold standard for body composition, and whenever you get this, make sure to say DEXA scan with body composition. If you just say DEXA scan, it's just going to measure your bone density, and you want that plus the body composition. So just want to mention that you want to make sure that that's on the test. The reason that you want to get this checked is as you're losing weight, You want to make sure, am I losing fat? Am I losing muscle? Is my bone density increasing, decreasing? What's happening? And you can't really tell that when you get on a scale. But in general, and this is just my opinion, I tell my patients, as long as your body fat and especially your visceral fat, which is the fat that's located around your abdomen, which is kind of the dangerous fat, as long as your body fat and visceral fat are going down and your muscle mass, your lean muscle mass, and your bone density is trending up, then you're going in the right direction. This is assuming, of course, that your labs are improving, that you feel good, and that your physician agrees that overall your health is improving. And obviously, this does not supersede anything your physician tells you. This is just my opinion and what I've noticed over time with my patients. And just a quick side note on the DEXA scan. Most people think this test is expensive and time consuming, but I can tell you, at least here in Texas, the test is only $60. The appointment can easily be made online and you can be in and out in 10 minutes. And within 1 to 2 hours, your results are emailed to you. The place that I went to get it done, the company was called BodySpec, and I will put a link to them in the video description if you want to check them out. I think they're in more than just Texas. With them, I registered online. Once I got to the center, I had an appointment. I was literally, from the time that I got out of my car to getting back in the car, was 10 minutes. It's very easy. You just kind of dress like you're going to a yoga class, no metal or anything like that. You walk in, it's an open table. So if you're claustrophobic and can't handle a CT, you can do this because this is like an open area. You just lie down on this table. It has a little arm above it, kind of goes over you and back. And then the tech tells you you're done. You get up and leave, and that's it. So very easy to do. And then I had the results within a couple hours. It also has, in the subcategories, it has a little AI that will guide you and give you more information. And of course, I really recommend sharing that information with your physician. And that will also give them valuable information about where they can help you as far as improving your health overall as well. And if you guys want more information on a DEXA scan, let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to do a video that talks more about this and I can go into detail. Okay, sorry, I kind of went off on a rant there. So keep in mind, at this stage of life, weight loss isn't just about eating less. It's about understanding your body's changes and what you can do to maximize your health, energy, and overall well-being. And to all you moms out there, I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. I'm a physician assistant with 20 years of experience working with bariatric patients, and I release 3 videos a week that explain the professional weight loss world. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content. I hope these videos help you feel informed and more confident when you discuss weight loss options with your provider. I'm Grace, and this is Weigh In Wellness, where I provide safe, thoughtful, and fact-based information on surgical, endoscopic, and medical weight loss. Remember, this information is educational. I'm a physician assistant, but I'm not your PA. Decisions about treatment should always be made with your healthcare team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.